Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay here, and today I have got another interesting as Google Sheet trick for you guys. Okay, this is gonna be a short video. It's just to tell you like about the equals and not equal operator and how to use them effectively in your workspace. Okay, so very often your boss would come to you and say that, hey buddy, I want to know whether the entries in column A and entries in column B are the same or not. Okay, there are some entries might look same, might not. Okay, in that case, what you're gonna do? What you're gonna do? You're gonna use the equality or the non-equals operator. Okay, and it's very easy. It's nothing but equals this equals this. This is basically to show whether the entry in A2 equals entry in B2. Okay, and as you can see, a small dialog box pops up and it says me that's true. So it will give you a true and a false value, a boolean value only. Okay, and then you can press enter and you get the result. Okay, whenever any entry is not matching to the current to the other entry in the other column, it will say false as usual. Similarly, they can also, your boss will also come up to you and say that what if these two are not equal? Okay, I want the entries that are not equal to each other. Okay, you did equals here, that's why it showed false. From here also you can take away the false value and show your boss that, hey boss, these are the not equal values. Okay, but again, there is also a non-equal operator that you can use in your workspace, and that is equals A2, then I'll give you less than equals to and greater than equals to symbol. Okay, and then I'll say B2. Okay, this is called the not equals operator. Okay, that says that if A2 is not equals to B2, then I'm gonna get a false value. Okay, so it's a false value. I mean, the first value is the false value, and like you see, for equals that says false, the other will say a true for the not equal operator. So clearly this is an equals operator and this is a not equal operator column. Equal, sorry, my bad. Equal. So this is a short video that I made, as I believe a lot of people are not aware of this functionality. It can be used in cases where I need to cross check my results against my different result when it comes to data cleaning and data validation. And this can be quite useful in that respect. So that's it. I hope you would like this video. Feel free to share it with your friends. And as always, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy working. Thank you.